Women live longer. On average, women tend to live longer than men. This difference in life expectancy is observed in many cultures around the world. Did you know women typically outlive men? It's a curious fact, echoed across diverse cultures globally. Why does this happen, you ask? Science offers some clues. Genetics play a significant role. Women's second X chromosome provides a health advantage, helping them live longer. Also, women are more proactive about their health. Regular checkups lead to early detection and treatment of diseases. Risky behaviors? Men tend to engage more, leading to increased mortality rates. Finally, lifestyle choices. Women generally lead healthier lives. So, cheers to women who've cracked the code to living longer.